Why is Warren Buffett selling his Apple stock? Does Warren Buffett know something we don't know? That has been the subject of multiple news articles over the past couple of days. In this video, I'll try to answer that question. I haven't talked to him. I don't know the reasoning behind his thinking, but I made a financial analysis that shows that something has flipped in Apple. I'd like to show you what it is. On this graph, we see the revenue of Apple over the past 10 years. These spikes is their strong holiday and Black Friday sales figures from fourth quarter. Typically, in the beginning of the graph, we see that they have a constant increase year over year. That jumped then during COVID, and then it has plateaued. But even then, Apple is still generating 30% operational income margin, $123 billion in income the last fiscal year. This is still a money-making machine. But the valuation of Apple has changed. In this graph, we can see that there's a gap between the revenue and the market cap. Then COVID comes, the valuation increases. And then since COVID, the valuation has continued to increase so much that there's no gap anymore. When we compare the multiplier with the benchmark, Apple historically has been under the benchmark. Then COVID comes, the benchmark explodes during the COVID valuation bubble. Apple's price increase as well. Then the bubble comes down again, but Apple's valuation continues to increase. So now it has flipped. Apple has become overvalued. Year-over-year growth is showing the same trend. It has historically been following the benchmark. Now it is under the benchmark. When we then look at the final graph here, the growth to multiplier, we again see a downward trend that is stronger than the market. It used to be that it was following the benchmark. Now it is under the benchmark. Apple has become overvalued. I think that might be one of the reasons why Warren Buffett is selling off his stock. $3 trillion in valuation. What is supporting that? That is an expectation of future growth. That's why we have a multiplier of 8. But they haven't been able to grow anything over the past 2-3 years since COVID. At some point, the market is going to catch up to this. And I think that's why he's selling his stock. Here at ClearGrowth, we have identified a number of companies that are not overvalued. This information is available to our premium website subscribers. If you're interested in this information, send an email to subscription@cleargrowth.com. I'm Johan at ClearGrowth. We are a Cash-Flow FinTech that uses AI accounting to increase our customers' average cash balance.